All right, for number 7, it says find all the zeros, so not just the rational ones, also the imaginary ones as well. All right, so we would do the exact same thing. All right, so nothing has changed. We're going to go ahead and find all the possible rational roots using P over Q. And we get these factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. Okay, using Descartes' rule of signs, let's look for positives and negatives. I see 1, 2, 3 sign changes, so we have 3 or 1. For the negative, this is going to be x to the 4th minus 2x cubed minus 11x squared minus 8x minus 60. So we have 1 sign change. So there's going to be 1 negative. All right, so the strategy for this one is I'm going to go for the positives. Since I know there's at least 1, there's possibly 3 of them, I have a higher chance of finding a positive one. All right, so let's use some synthetic. Double check for placeholders. And I'm going to try a positive 1. And unfortunately, that did not work. All right, so let's keep trying. I'm going to move on to 2. And it doesn't look like that's going to work either. All right, well, keep going. Try 3. And looks like we have a winner. All right, so I know 3 is going to be one of my rational roots. Okay, from there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see if I can factor this even more. So I'm going to have my compressed function right there. This is going to be x to the 3rd plus 5x squared plus 4x plus 20. All right, so what I would do here is, if possible, I'm going to factor using grouping. All right, so from this I can take out the x squared. From here I can take out the 4. And it looks like factoring by grouping does work. All right, so my polynomial right now is going to be x minus 3 from that root times x plus 5 times x squared plus 4. I'm going to set that equal to 0. So then here are my zeros. So x is equal to 3, negative 5, and this, if I set that equal to 0, will get me plus or minus 2i. All right, and if you want to see that done out, this is just x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. X squared is equal to negative 4, square root both sides. X is equal to plus or minus 2i. Okay, now for example, if you didn't notice that this was able to be factored by grouping, you would just keep trying different roots. Okay, it does take a while. You would try positives, try negatives, but eventually you would get the negative 5, and then once you get the negative 5 root, then you would be able to get to this with your decompressed polynomial. Okay, why don't you guys try it? Number 8, and go ahead and pause the video. Once you're done, unpause it and check your answer. right, so your final answer for number 8 should be x is negative 2, 3 over 4, plus or minus 3i. Negative 2, 3 over 4, plus or minus 3i.